This coin is made of Nordic gold, copper, aluminium, zinc and tin for a weight of 4.1 gram and a diameter of 19.75 millimeters. It is a common coin struck in 2024 and is part of a new series of coins that depict exceptional women as replacements for the sower. Not quite, since the sower appears partly at the bottom right of the portrait. The other two coins in the series are the 20-cent Josephine Baker coin and the 50-cent Marie Curie coin. There is no information on the current mint number of this coin, although we know the BU and BE mint to be 20,000 and 5,000 each. The value of the current coin varies between 10 cents and 50 cents in coin flour quality. This coin is made of Nordic gold, copper, aluminium, zinc and tin for a weight of 5.74 grams and a diameter of 22.25 millimeters. It is a common coin struck in 2024. The value of the coin varies between 20 cents and 2 euros in coin flour quality. This coin is in Nordic gold, copper, aluminium, zinc and tin for a weight of 7.8 grams and a diameter of 24.25 millimeters. It is a common coin struck in 2024. There is no information about the current print run number of this coin for 2024. The BU and BE copies are added for 27,000 and 5,000. The value of the current coin ranges between 50 cents and €1.50 in coin flour quality. The copies in BU are worth €6 and in BE 18 euros. The cleaner and shiny the original currency, the more value it will have.